What if we could use Ayurvedic healing principles not just for our bodies, but for Earth itself? By understanding five elements ether, air, fire, water, and earth, we can start diagnosing environmental imbalances just like we diagnose Vata, Pitta, Kapha in our bodies. I want to help people and governments recognize the early signs of disharmony in nature, and by using Ayurvedic principles can prevent, not just react to natural calamities right where they live. And I know this is possible because I've lived this philosophy for over 20 years. I am Rajesh Kishanpuriya, a wellness coach, a climate activist, and a author of Preventive Healthcare booklet. My mission is to bring fresh, holistic voice to the climate conversation, one rooted with timeless balance and healing. Thank you.